What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. Okay, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe, hit the select all, like the video, make a comment if you like. What I want to talk to you about in this video mainly is some bullish behavior that looks like it's coming in on crypto, and I want to show you a few that look very, very positive. Now, if you were in my Discord, which the link is in the description, you would have seen the alerts. You would have seen the alert way back here on this candle right here for Ethereum Classic. Now, it's not too late because when I go over to the daily, you can see this is running right into the price action, which means that the math is changing. People are holding, they're not selling, and more buying is coming in. This is about to go blue. What happens when it goes blue? It runs up, okay? So Ethereum Classic looks like it's about to go on a rally. It already started a couple days ago. And it's been making its way. I had a little pullback, and then it's launched up again. Okay, there's a few others I want to talk about, and we'll talk about a couple stocks as well. Now, if you guys were in my Discord, you guys would realize that I have this system that is unlike anything else out there. I've designed it. Of course, I have taken big pieces from some of the greatest traders in the world. But I have added in a lot of different things myself, and which pretty much is over dominating all of it, from the coding and the way I have my settings and the way I enter and exit. Now, I know this is going to be hard to believe because we're in a bear market and nobody really has numbers like this, but I have a simulator that I have been doing. And I've been doing it for, I don't know, a few months, and I've been going in and out on the hourly with my entries and my exits, specific way, robotically, no questions asked. I'm not going back to the minutes or the 4 hour or the one day. I'm doing it on the hourly, entries and exits. I don't need to worry about the catalyst. I don't need to worry about the news. I don't need to worry about even supports, resistances, Fibonacci's. I don't need to worry about any of it. And I'm up 2,100%. I'm not kidding. I showed the guys in the Discord. Started with $1 million in that simulator. It's up near 21 million or 20 million. I'll show you. Also, at the last year in 2021, I invited everybody into the Discord and I said, I will teach you how to trade and I will teach you how to compound your money no matter what the market does. Okay, whether it's in a bull run, whether it's in phase 1, 2, 3, or 4, which we're in now, severe bear run, doesn't matter. I'll teach you how to do it, and I set up a Jedi compound simulator for everybody. In that simulator, I'm up 1,500%. But here's the kicker: in that simulator, I only am doing short, fast scalps. In the other one, I'm doing the hourlies, and in my real money, I'm also doing the hourlies because I'm doing so good at 2,100% of the simulator. I started doing that last week when every day was pretty much red. I made 100 grand in that week. I showed all the guys. I had a $74,000 day. I had a $28,000 morning. I mean, I had a $12,000 day. I did good, up and down, but about 100 grand. So the system is absolutely on fire. It works. The guys in there are doing it. They're showing me their profits, 49%, 66%. These guys are getting it. They're just, I think it's confidence. They just have to, do exactly what I say, and they can do it, okay? Now, let me just show you some of the profits from these trades, and these are real-time trades. This is me sitting here all day with a big watch list, clicking through, exiting when something happens, going short when something happens, covering when something happens, going long when something happens. I click through them. I do it every hour on the hourly and see if there's any changes. That's what I do. And then I have different systems for if there's a mistake made, if there's some drastic drop, how to get out of it on the next time it spins around. So I'm able to spot this momentum, and I'm able to get in and out really accurately. I'm in and out on the hourly, so I'm the first in and I'm the first out. So it doesn't matter what's going on in the daily. Of course, I look at it. It doesn't matter what's going on in the minute so much. It's about trend and momentum and the ebb and flow to the trend hourly. On average, in the stock market, I'm in a trade about 3 days, and there's what, 6.5 hours per trading day. So call it 20 hours I'm in a trade in stocks, and about 18 to 24 hours non-stop trading on the hourly in crypto once it goes bullish. So let's just take a look at a couple of these so you can kind of see the profitability, and you can kind of look at some numbers. Okay, these are realized gains as of today, which is the 24th of May, 2022. The reason I'm showing you this is because I have a system that's really good. I want to write a book. I want to go up in the world championship, world trading championship. You can read the book, you can learn later, or you can learn from me now in my Discord. It's 99 bucks a month or 600 for the whole year. You get one-on-one coaching and you get personal service. I'm in there in the Jedi chat area. You get all my trade alerts, which I go ham on trade alerts, guys. I mean, I'm obviously, you could tell I trade a lot. I mean, this goes on and on. This is all my trades from basically this year. I mean, look at all this profit, guys. We're talking about, I started with $1 million and we're at almost 21 million. So yeah, it's, it's a lot. Like, it goes on and on and on. These are all the profits I've realized using my system. Yeah, it's crazy. And there's more. It goes on all the way from, I think I started in February on that. So yeah, I mean, everything that I teach you in the Discord is, I don't know what just happened here. Everything that I teach you in the Discord, all the systems, the cloud and the ribbon and the 200 and how to, the 4 market phases and, how to scalp and how to spot momentum and how to hedge and how to wait your hedging and how to get out of trouble and, all these different things, hold on, I got to go find the Jedi simulator thing. Yeah, 15 million. We all started with $1 million in the Discord. We all started with $1 million is what I started everybody with, December 29th, 2021. And I put them on a margin account. They charge margin interest. You can see my return. This is this year. We all started together. I'm up 1,500%. And this is the one that I basically do scalps on, momentum scalps. Sometimes I do the hourly, but most of this money was made on scalping. I'm very, very good at scalping and momentum plays. And I also am really good on the 1 hour trading, which is phenomenal in volatile markets. I'm also really good at, who's not good at a bull run? I mean, that's like child's play compared to what we're dealing with right now. Right now, we're extremely advanced. To make 2,100% in that simulator. Now, I know you guys are like, oh, this is 1,500% in a Jedi simulator. The other one's 2,100% in a simulator. Yeah, I simulate everything because I teach people how to trade, so I need to make sure that it works accurately. But you got to understand, I'm a professional trader. I trade real money, and I'm up hundreds of percent in my real money too. Okay, which I still don't even know anybody that's in the 300 percentile range for profits in like this year. Everybody is freaking out when I watch YouTubes or turn on the TV. Everybody's down. I'm up, but I love volatility. I'm a directional trader, so yeah, I'm going. I'm putting triple leverage with margin on shorts and triple leverage bears going down with it. And then when it goes long, I'm waiting it. I'm trading in and out on the hourly on the longs, but I'm running those down on the whole indexes. So yeah, I mean, 1,500% here, 2,100%. We're in May, and I'm up. I was up 350% or 360. I'm right around 300% in real money right now too, which is really good. I just don't have as much money as I have as much as we started in both of them, but not this much that I currently have now. So yeah, and some of them I'm just waiting for them to go bullish, and my money's a little tied up in there as well. But okay, so the way that I'm doing it is I have specific indicators, and they all have specific coding that I put in, okay? And I use a probability system. I'm big on trend trading. I'm big on pivot to pivot momentum based. Normally I like swing trading, but right now I'm just doing these like momentum style trades. And what I'm doing is I'm using a combination of different things on the charts that give me a higher probability of success. And I'm doing it on the hourly. So what I like to do is I like to make sure my cloud is blue. Obviously, if I'm above the 200, that's even better, because if you notice, even on the hourly, a lot of times these things will reject and they don't really get above. So being above the purple line would be, extra bullish. But, we got to make money. We got to eat, right? So we trade in and out. Now, I like when this blue one, when it crosses, that's when the math is right. So this thing calculates, buyers versus sellers and more volume and more money coming in. It calculates a lot of stuff. There's like over 50 different things that it calculates on these little triangles and this line. It's really detailed. The coding is sick. And you get all that in the Discord, okay? But when this curves and it goes in the direction of price action, it's game on. So like, let's just go look at this one. Okay, you're above the 200. There's your blue line. You got a blue ribbon, and look, it's game on. Okay, when you go look at the daily, okay, that's when, let me fix my chart. See, same thing here. When it pushed here, it went blue, it curved, there was my signal, and boom, it went all the way up. I like to get out of the cloud, but just 2 days later, it also confirmed here. Okay, I teach you guys all about how to do this and how to do these settings and, all different trading styles for different environments as well as trade setups, okay? Now, if you notice this thing, when it goes red, you want to get out. When it does this, it's like a reverse. It's going to come down far. And when it hits the price action, okay, notice the red hit the price action here. It's going to come down. And then when it got in the middle, it really came down. Well, when it hits the price action, it's going to go up. And when it curves around, it's really going to go up, okay? Ethereum Classic is there. Look at this outperformance here. Look at how this is. This is perfect. Your stochastic's running right. Your MACD is crossed with the right histograms. Your DTI is looking good. Looks really good. Okay, another one that's looking pretty good is actually Loop Ring, which I don't trade very much, but I wanted to show you. See how this is coming down? The price action's coming right into it. And if we go on the hourly, yes, we're starting to get a little bit of momentum. So we had that pullback, and it's about to go blue. And that's about to go. BNB, I really like BNB. This is the ones I'm going to show you are the ones that I have. Okay, these are the ones that I like a lot. BNB is, in my mind, it's kind of like a Microsoft or a Google. It's like Bitcoin. It's like kind of like a must-have. So look, it's crossing above its 200. You got that ribbon trending. Volume looks right. All indicators show the probability is correct, and it's off to the races. Okay. Dash, I'm not big on, but I'm keeping an eye on it because I'm seeing momentum. Same thing. Just got it. Boom. VeChain, I do like it. Actually, a little hack. VeChain copies Bitcoin, and it delays by like 15 minutes. So if Bitcoin is pumping, you can snatch up VeChain much cheaper, get a lot more tokens, and it'll pretty much, like, in the few minutes later, it'll do what Bitcoin does. So it's like easy money. ApeCoin, I really like it. My buddy Raul told me about it. Bought this thing, I think it was like $11 or $12 or something a few weeks back, and it went all the way to like 24. I'm not in it, but I'm looking to get back in it. Actually, pretty much right now, it just went blue. It's looking like there's going to be a push. We all know about Luna. Let's just skip that one for now. Atom. I've been noticing that Atom is actually getting somewhere too. So see how this is coming down and it's about to butt right into the price action. Atom is showing a little bit of strength, and I have this over here, and it's showing me that this thing is down. I mean, annually, this thing is down 75%. So these things they're coming due, right? Now, we have the GDP report, we have the FOMC minutes, we have all this stuff, but with my system, none of it matters. It shows up in the charts. I mean, technical traders will tell you that all day, like, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. It doesn't really matter. I know that we get sucked into all this media and all the stuff going on in the world, but really like volume and price action and the coding on this will just basically, and then just entering and exiting a certain way when you see specific things, and then you just do that, and whatever's going on in the world will show up in the charts. Trust me. That's why you don't have to be, crazy, like know every single thing. Like I know everything pretty much about trading. I mean, I would love to learn new stuff, but I know a lot of like all the chart patterns, and supports, resistances, volume. I know a lot about stocks and this stuff, but really, like, just to simplify it all down, you don't need to know that much as long as you know when you see this, you enter, when you see that, you exit. And of course, there's some other things that are important, not so much right now, but in the future, they will be, which will be fundamentals, leaders, the right sectors, industry groups, all the institutional support, and different things. And we'll go through different trade setups and breakouts and all that later. But right now, not necessary. We don't need to talk about it. We just need to run the system because it's making us money. And you cannot argue with 2100%. You just can't argue with the numbers. If you want to go have the news read to you, there's a channel for that. If you want to go listen to some guy and his opinion, there's a million channels for that. If you want to learn how to dollar cost average and lose 300% and never know where the bottom is, there's channels for that. If you want to learn how to make money and how to trade and how to be a rooftop ninja, assassin, Jedi, Sith Lord killing ninja, this is the channel for you. I'm just about making money. If you want to make money, I'm going to show you how. Just come in the Discord. Everybody's cool in there. You will get my trade alerts, which is so worth it, guys, have my trade alerts. Like, if you look at my trade alerts and then like what happens after, they pretty much all go up. You can almost count on all those trade alerts. You just need to know how to exit them quickly, and they're always profitable. I mean, I'm always trading, always making money. That's what I do all day. And then, if I want to be in crypto, I'm hitting it. So look, some crypto stuff is about to go up. I feel real good about a lot of things. On the hourly, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you're grabbing up in here and you're selling right here, well, that's it's a profit, okay? And it depends on how much money you put in, but a percentage is a percentage. So if it goes up 7%, 7% on your money is 7% on your money, any which way you slice it. And being on the hourly, you're not in that long. So I love it. Ethereum, here's Ethereum. Okay, it just crossed as well. But I think, Ethereum needs to come down just a little bit further, but it's going to move. Let's go look at Litecoin. Litecoin's getting close as well. You can see there's momentum building on the hourly. Remember, in order to get bullish to the daily, you have to get, you got to start seeing momentum on the minutes and the 30-minute, the hour, the 4-hour. That's how it works. And I like the hour. I've done a lot of testing on all the different time frames, and I find that the way that the markets work and the ebb and flow, if you have it too long, a lot of money can be lost in that time period. If you have it too short, the way the markets work is it doesn't give it enough time to ebb and flow. So like if you have it on the 5-minute or 15-minute or even 30-minute, the way the algorithms work and the way everything works with like Wall Street going to lunch at a certain time, there's just all these different factors that come in where the hour ends up being the most consistently profitable annually. And I figured that out, okay? This is like a life's dedication of work that I've done. Look, all of them are showing bullish. Here's Link. It's so cheap, $7.27. I mean, that's so good. And honestly, this thing has just been going down and down and down, and it's down 86% for the year on Chainlink. I like Chainlink a lot. It needs a little bit more momentum and volume, but it's coming down into the zone. And then here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is flashing a little bit. It's basically been going sideways. So if you look at it on the hour, it's what I would call range bound. Okay, when you look at it like this, you might not notice, but when I back it up like this, you can see this thing is just kind of grinding on the bottom. It's going sideways. So what you do in a situation like that is you run it up, you get out. You run it up, you get out. You run it up, you probably break even. You run it up, you get out. You run it up, you get out, and you run it up right now. And you don't know which time it's going to go very, very bullish, but it will be one of those times. I think it'll link up to sentiment, it'll link up to things going on the news with the Fed and things of that nature. But essentially, price action just got above the 200. This has gone blue. Look at all these buy signals, off of this major level of support. So, you just get in. I'm already in, and I have a plan. If it drops down several levels, if it wants to come all the way down here or further, I'm going to be, buying more down there, but a lot more. And if it goes up, I'll also scale in. So I'm in a good position, and this is a good place. Even though it's going sideways, a decision is coming because the way this slope is going down. But there's a lot of danger on the chart that I can see. But there is also bullish momentum coming in right now. So, we want to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is like the Dow of crypto. So if Bitcoin's happy, most everything's going to be happy. Here's the avalanche. Let's see what's going on. Kind of weak sauce at the moment, but it is also getting its stuff. Zcash now Zcash looks like it's it's got a little ways to go. It's going to try to do a breakout. It's had a lot of rejections underneath this line. Let's look at that on the daily actually. Yeah, so this was going to go blue, and then it tanked last night. So that kind of sucked. Mana is just hella low. I mean, this thing has been beaten down, but look, it's touching, so it's probably, it's getting, these are all getting close in crypto. I mean, you can see it. Now, just a couple stocks that are really good that I'm making really good money on. It's my old winners from a couple months ago. BTU, Peabody Energy. Look at this. This is the daily. There's that big cup and handle when we bought it way back here. Wrote it all up, got out, and there's the buy signal, and I've been in, and I'm already up quite a bit. Okay. Another one that's really good right now is Zim. Okay. This is the daily I'm showing you, and I've been in Zim since back here. And it's running up really, really nicely. And if you go look at these on the hourly, boom, here's my trade. So I got in over here, and I'm still up. And if you go look at the BTU, it's pretty similar. So boom, and we're still running. Another one that I recommend right now, so you got BTU and Zim, and then the other is, if I can find it, it's Antero Resources. Here it is, AR. So this one, same kind of vibe. Look, it's just running. And I'm in it. Today's my third day I'm in it. Look at this on the daily, guys. Now it's about to cross over. That's a breakout. And this thing is running. Good volume, excellent indicators. So BTU, AR, and Zim. Another one that I like, it had a down day today, but I'm really liking it right now, is, well, I don't know if I have it in this watch list. Oh, I do. It's called Star Bulk Carriers, SBLK. Let me find it. There it is. Okay, so it went down a little bit today. But look at this. It had a breakout yesterday, and it just went blue over here. Look at the volume in the direction of price action on a breakout. Just went blue ribbon above the 200. Definitely bullish. Okay, earnings were good, and this thing is off the races. I know there's a big misconception about buying the dip, and you want to buy the 52. Really, you want to buy the 52-week high. You want them making new highs every week and pushing forward. Those are leaders. Those are breakouts. That's how you get those 400 or 500 percenters. And so this is really a good sign. So I like SBLK, AR, Zim, and BTU for some really good stocks right now. Remember, Zim has a killer dividend, $2.85 a share, coming up on the 27th. So early next week, I think. And or maybe that's Friday, actually, of this week. So yeah, and then a lot of the stocks that are looking good, or crypto, excuse me, is Ethereum Classic. Loopring looks ready. I mean, your BNB looks good. Bitcoin looks good. Obviously Ethereum. A lot of these are getting low and bottoming. So within the next, 24 to 72 hours, I think that we're definitely going to see some movement. That's what the charts are telling me. So let's look out for that. Jump in the Discord. Come say hi to me. If you have any questions, you can DM me. If you just want to sign up, go to subscriptions in the Discord. It's $99 a month, or you can do the annual, which is $665. You get everything. You get 10 hours of one-on-one coaching, my trade alerts. You get the Wheelhouse Wednesday group trainings. You get access to all those in the past. You get all the courses, and everybody is in there. It's really cool. So Hope to see you in there. Thank you for watching to the end. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.